In this video, I'll be going over how you can utilize CoverLetterAI to turn your resume into a cover letter masterpiece with the click of a button. Let's get started. First, when on WonsultingAI, you want to select CoverLetterAI. Once you click Create Cover Letter, what's going to happen is you're going to select a resume from WonsultingAI. In this case, let's just select this resume I created here for Netflix employees that got laid off. And then I'm going to click Next. Then it's going to ask you for your target role and target company. Let's say my target role is sales. And let's say my target company is Microsoft. Then I'll click Generate and I'll wait a few seconds for it to generate a cover letter. Now, let's break down how the cover letter is structured. The first part is going to be the introduction of yourself. As you can tell, it's talking about how you're applying to a sales role at Microsoft, talking a little bit about the skills you bring to the table. But as you can tell, we're taking the information that you put into your resume from WonsultingAI and we're putting it into your cover letter. The second part is talking more in depth about your relevant experiences. The next one is your most recent role. Then it's talking a little bit more about the relevant experiences and skills that you bring to the table, as you can tell here. And then lastly, an ending. Now, if you want to edit the cover letter, all you have to do is click and you can delete things just like this. After doing this, make sure to go here and title your cover letter. A good cadence I like to do is say cover letter and then what specific position it's for. Sales at Microsoft. Then make sure to put your location, Seattle, Washington. Then you can put your email. So say my email, put your phone number, and then you can also add your LinkedIn, just like that. After you're satisfied with the cover letter, you click download right here. What I recommend is you download in PDF because that's the easiest way for you to upload to your application. And that's what recruiters prefer. And that's all you have to do to create the cover letter that you want for your dream job and dream company. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you have any other questions, please take a look at our Wonsulting FAQ or reach out to your school admins for further assistance. If you have any specific feedback, please send us an email below, or you can fill out the weekly form. We'd love to hear from you, and let's turn each and every one of you from an underdog into a winner.